Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Footwear Fashion Palace, and I am here with my another video. And my this video is about some different length of heels in really beautiful designs, really different color combinations, and very pretty shiny material heels that look, and very many more kind of materials and embellishments and designs on different heels, and in really amazing colors. And as you see, this heel looks really nice, a very cute kind of design with a butterfly on the top that make this heel more pretty and amazing. And this one is also a very beautiful, a formal kind of heels that can appropriate for the office wear or your normal daily routine, or in every occasion you can wear such kind of heels. And these are also really unique heels, and in a slipper kind of touch that makes it comfortable. And this heel looks really pretty, like a high sole, but it looks really amazing. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels, and you will see some different design and beautiful color combinations of heel. And as you see, this transparent heel looks really nice, and the heels that are V shape from the front looks really amazing and little bit different and pretty. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. And if you're a high heel lover and every kind of a footwear lover, so in this platform you'll find them in really beautiful designs and really different color combinations. So do check them and like this video, comment on this video, and share this video on the other social media formats. And today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video.